How to get debit card under 18 without parents. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a credit card if you are under age 18. So first of all, just being straightforward, you're under 18 years of age. There typically needs to be a joint account holder with your parents or guardian who are at least 15 years older to sign up for an account. And once the account is created, a parent will need to link a checking account or debit card to fund the card. But if you still want to get a credit card under 18 years of age, so I will suggest you two good options to choose from them, and you can also go ahead and search for yourself. So the first option I suggest is the Capital One Money card, which has like 0.2% annual interest and no fees and no minimums, and it has the lowest minimum age, which is around from 8 years to 17 years, which is quite good considering if you want to open an account and if you're under the age of 18. And the other option that I would suggest you is the Chase High School checking card, so which is also has no fees and which also has no interest like the Capital One Money card. It is also has the age bar between 13 to 17 years old. So these are the two kind of card that you can choose if you are under age 18. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So this is how you will be able to get debit card when you are under 18 years of age. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.